Hello and welcome to CHTV's Chromebook Tech Tips. I'm Jack and today I will be teaching you how to take a screenshot on your Chromebook. So say your teacher gives you an assignment in which you need to take a screenshot for it. So to take a screenshot, all you need to do is go to the content on the screen that you want to take a picture of and click Control-Shift Show Windows. As you can see, this brings up a table of options. Here you are able to take a full screen screenshot, a full window screenshot. You are also able to take partial screenshots of stuff on the screen and adjust to how much or how little you want to show. Once you press the option you want on the screen and select the screenshot will be taken and you can view your screenshots in the Downloads folder. Once you go to the Downloads folder, you'll be able to click and drag your document into your Canvas assignment. And that's how you take a screenshot on your Chromebook.